What if an ancient language and modern artificial intelligence were not opposites, but two pieces of the same future learning puzzle? For centuries, Sanskrit carried sound, structure, meaning, and wisdom. Today, AI can help us visualize patterns that once felt hidden. This is not about saying Sanskrit is magic. It is about asking a smarter question. What happens when ancient structure meets future technology? Welcome to NeuroCosmo, where we explore Sanskrit not as a dusty subject, but as a living system of sound, meaning, and pattern. Sanskrit is fascinating because its sounds are organized with unusual precision. AI can help learners see that structure instead of just memorizing it. Imagine hearing a Sanskrit syllable and instantly seeing its sound wave, mouth position, rhythm, and pronunciation feedback on screen. That is the bridge. Sanskrit gives depth and structure. AI gives scale, personalization, visualization, and interactive practice. To understand the future of learning, we need four pillars: sound, structure, meaning, and technology that adapts to the learner. A Sanskrit word is not just a word. It can be explored as sound, pattern, root, meaning, and cultural context. Without guidance, ancient texts can feel overwhelming. With the right AI tools, the same material can become layered, visual, and approachable. Pronunciation is one of the first places AI can help. It can listen, compare, and show learners where sounds are formed. Sanskrit letters are not random symbols. They are connected to sound families, patterns, and relationships that AI can help reveal visually. But meaning matters. Sanskrit cannot be reduced to word-for-word translation. Context, tone, and depth are part of the learning. This is where AI becomes powerful. Not as a replacement for understanding, but as a guide that makes hidden layers easier to see. One learner may start with sound, another may start with meaning. AI can personalize the path without changing the wisdom. Now let's clear up a myth. We are not claiming Sanskrit is proven to be the best language for computers. The real point is more interesting. Sanskrit's structure makes it fascinating to explore with AI, especially for learning and visualization. When roots, patterns, and meanings connect, Sanskrit begins to feel less like memorization and more like decoding a knowledge system. AI can turn a dense passage into steps: pronunciation, grammar, meaning, context, reflection, and practice. That changes the learning experience from passive memorization into active exploration, where curiosity drives the next question. One letter can become sound, motion, meaning, and pattern. That is the kind of multi-dimensional learning AI can unlock. This is why Sanskrit plus AI feels so powerful. It combines human depth with digital visualization. But responsible learning still matters. AI can help explain, but humans must still question, interpret, and understand. The future Sanskrit learner may not begin with a textbook. They may begin with an interactive path built around how they learn best. Sanskrit and AI are not competing worlds. One brings meaning and structure, the other brings access and personalization. Together, they can make ancient knowledge feel less distant and more discoverable for teens, adults, and future learners. This is not old versus new. This is old plus new, wisdom plus technology, sound plus intelligence. Sanskrit gives depth, meaning, structure, and wisdom. AI gives visualization, feedback, scale, and personalized learning. And that is the NeuroCosmo vision: ancient wisdom, future intelligence, and a new way to learn what once felt unreachable. In the next episode, we go deeper into why Sanskrit and AI could become the best of both worlds.